In another video, I talked about my sound bag of choice, the Orca OR-330. Now, let's talk accessories. Welcome to Morphilm Academy Product Review Series. Today, we talk about the multiple front covers available for the OR-330, the OR-39 double wireless pouch, as well as the OR-156 Paddy Arc. So, as I mentioned in my previous video, the 330 is a modular bag. The front compartment can easily be removed and replaced. Here, I have three options. The OSP 10-330-10, which comes with the 330, the 10-272-10, as well as the 10-30-20 front panel. That's also available in gray and blue. Let's start with this one. This is a fantastic option with a removable divider, multiple elastic straps, and two wireless pouch attachments. The transparent top can be zipped closed to protect what's inside while still letting you see. This is quite a large attachment that really creates a huge bag. It even has these plastic feet at the bottom so your bag doesn't tip over. Overall, I love it. And the fact that it comes with the 330 is actually one of the main reasons I chose this bag. That said, there's a few things to note. The front pocket is very shallow, making it hard to put even small things in it, especially since it curves underneath, so it's really hard to reach the bottom. Also, I wish there were tactical loops at the front to clip transmitters and receivers. And last but not least, it's quite big and heavy. That's where the 10-272-10 comes into play. It's a bit smaller and lighter, has a much deeper pocket at the front, and has tactical loops, which I use all the time. It does lose the transparent top, the removable interior divider, and quite some space inside. Also, why do bag makers put so many of these pen and marker straps? Who uses that? That said, I still love it and use it a lot. However, if you still need something more compact, you can completely chop off the front and use the 10-30-20. This makes the bag quite small while still giving you this quite large pocket with some straps for pens and markers, I guess. This brings us to the cons. I feel like Orca missed a big opportunity to put a lot of tactical straps at the front and inside. This also applies to the 10-272-10, but they're especially needed when we're losing the side pouch attachments. That said, this is meant for very simple setups. I actually use it quite a bit when I only need two wireless receivers, and I still have space for my wireless microphone pouch. This makes the bag much lighter. A general note, the 330 does come with a plastic cover, compatible with all three attachments, so you can actually transform them into a little bag when not attached to the 330. I really like this feature. Also, I just want to say I'm very impressed with the zipper design of the attachments. They come on and off so easily. The same goes for the overall quality. Like most Orca products, they're very well made. Now, let's continue with the OR-39 double wireless pouch. This is quite simple, but well designed. It simply adds another pouch to the side, but that's very welcomed. One thing that could be improved, however, is the rigidity. It does end up moving a lot as soon as you put something in it. The heavier it is, the more it moves. I don't know how, but it would be nice to have some kind of support to stabilize it. That said, it's not a big deal, and I still really recommend it if you need that extra space. Now for the OR-156 Paddy Arc. I really get the idea of trying to provide more comfort to the users and also putting the mixer a bit further away to improve visibility. But although it does work very well for both of these things, I find that the Orca bags are already comfortable enough so that it's not worth the extra space it takes. It does also get a bit annoying when trying to access the back pocket of the bag. That said, it's still a very comfortable, well-made product that serves its purpose. If you're into that, get it. It's just not really for me. So in summary, these are all really cool accessories for the OR-330 and other Orca bags. With a few minor upgrades, they could be amazing. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.